Hi, my name is Romy Moreira and today I'm going to show you my new add-on, Bake Manager. This add-on was designed to simplify the organization of high and low meshes for baking workflow, helping you work faster and keep your scenes clean. Bake Manager is optimized for workflows using Marmoset Toolbag with Quick Loader, as well as Substance Painter using Match by Name. The main goal is to automate repetitive setup tasks and make complex baking workflow much easier to manage for characters, props, and environment assets. You can find the add-on inside Bake Tool tab. Now let's take a look at each section and see how everything works. The Roots Generator section is designed to quickly create the main roots for your project. If you are a corrected artist, you can organize your meshes into body, cloth, and prop roots. And if you work on props or environment assets, you can use name props, which allows you to create custom roots with any name you want. This makes much easier to keep large scenes organized from the very beginning. In the Add Pair section, we create the high and low pairs. Each root automatically generates its corresponding high and low collection. Inside each root, you also find pair separators that help organize objects based on occlusion groups. Using the Add buttons, you can quickly create additional pairs whenever needed. In the Name Props section, you can select any custom root from the drop-down menu. In Visibility Controls, you can quickly manage the visibility of your high and low meshes. Using the Show and Hide buttons, you can display or hide all roots or only one by one. Select a specific root and control only that one. This becomes extremely useful when working with large or heavy scenes. The Hierarchy Viewer allows you to visualize your entire baking structure in a clean, expandable hierarchy. From here, you can also move objects between high and low collection with a single click. This helps you reorganize high and low meshes faster with a clean and intuitive hierarchy system. The Suffix Utilities section contains all the tools related to naming and suffix management. The Add Low and Add High buttons automatically add the corresponding suffix to the selected meshes. If you work using low to high workflow, you usually duplicate the low mesh to create a high version. The Dup Low to High button automatically fixes the duplicated object's name and converts into a high suffix, and Dup High to Low does the exact same thing. Swap High and Low automatically switches the suffixes between both variants. Clear Suffix removes high and low suffixes from the selected objects. One of the most powerful tools is Auto Match High from Low. This function automatically renames multiple high objects using the active object name as reference. It's especially useful when multiple high meshes need to bake into a single low mesh, creating a perfect naming setup. Another very useful feature is Match Collection Name to Object. This tool renames objects based on the collection they belong to, allowing you to easily control which objects share occlusion during baking. And finally, we have Object Name to Mesh and Mesh Name to Object. This function allows you to transfer names between the objects and the mesh data. This is extremely useful when you want to preserve two separate naming systems and switch between them whenever needed. And that's it. Now you have a much faster and cleaner way to prepare your asset for baking workflow, whether you are using match by name or occlusion based setup, keeping your scenes organized and production ready. I hope this add-on becomes as useful for your workflow as it has been for mine, and if you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in the comments. Now I'll leave you with a practical workflow example.
Anyway, baby, just name the time. When I'ma come through, can you get me cruising on the moonlight? Top down, playing new sounds while the wind blows over. Checking my maps, heading a stack, keep it intact. Do me a favor, girl. Can you keep it warm for me, keep it on for me like a shower? I needed to run for me, hold it down till I'm pulling up. I finally made it, girl. And I'm at the door, see you walking up to me. pretend you got something that's showing what's underneath. Still you expect me to make it do pleasantries. Baby, I'm yours. Not what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. I've been in the hallway, no use for all the rules. So what you wanna do? When she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. She said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no. We could catch a vibe here on this trip. I'm in your soul, you're on my head. I want you at my fingertips all night, all night. Not what you got on, but I want it all for you. We can play a song while I'm holding on to you. I've been in the hallway, no use for all the rules. What you wanna do? When she told me, she said it's all for you. I did it all for you. Baby, it's all for you. No, no, no.
Got me up on a late night. You steady playing on my mind. Oh, I can't get you out my head. Got a feeling I can't fight. There's nothing left, but it feels right. I'm feeling you and I won't pretend. I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too much. I just wanna feel your touch. I wanna be closer, babe. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you, I got you. Been down, I stay close. Storm hit, I ain't let go. You the one I don't second guess. Late calls, I be pulling up. Never could I give you up. Got it bad, I must confess. And I don't wanna say too much. I don't wanna say too. I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna feel your touch. I just wanna give you my love. I wanna give you my love. I just wanna give you my love, my love, my love, my love. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun and through the rain, I'll stay by your side. And when seasons change, my love will still remain. 'Cause I got you, I got you. Ain't no doubt about it, babe. You should be mine. Through the sun